Hello Shivatmika, how are you?
I'm good, Mama. How are you?
I'm also good. But baby, what are you doing?
Mama, I'm hungry, so that's why I'm making a sandwich for me.
You are hungry, but baby, you are not supposed to touch sharp knives.
Why, Mama? I'm a big girl now.
I know that you are a big girl, but have you completely forgotten about safety rules?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mama. I completely forgot about the safety rules. So can you please tell me about the safety rules once again?
I will, but you have to promise me that you will not going to touch any sharp object, you will not go near to the gas stove, and you will not going to touch any switchboard.
I promise, Mama.
Okay.
Yay! Jumping on the bed is so fun! And Mama's also not at home. So that's what's so much fun!
Shivatmika!
Mama is home.
Shivatmika!
Hello, Mama.
Hi baby, what are you doing?
I was doing nothing, Mama.
Beta, don't lie to your mama. I saw you. You were jumping on the bed.
No, Mama, I was not jumping.
Beta, you were jumping on the bed.
Sorry, Mama, I was jumping on the bed.
But baby, why were you jumping on the bed?
Mama, all of my friends do this and they told me it is very fun.
Beta, don't listen to your friends. Always listen to your mama and papa. And can you see our bed has sharp edges?
Yes,
So you
Mama.
could bump your head. In fact, you can fall down also. You want to go to a doctor?
No, Mama, I don't want to go to the doctor.
You want an injection?
No.
So don't do this activity again.
Okay, Mama.
Okay?
Okay. Do you really like my craft?
Hi baby.
Hello, Mama. How are you?
I'm good, but what are you doing right now?
I was playing with my toys and look, I made a new craft with Mr. George Pig.
Your craft is very beautiful, but baby, don't you know this is a study time?
Mama, I was very bored right now.
But Shivatmika, you shouldn't mix your study and your playtime together
Why can't I mix my study and play together?
because you need to focus on your studies. And I can see there are few toys and few books on the floor, and there are few books and few toys on the bed.
Mama,
Beta, you are not supposed to throw your toys here and there.
Mama, I was just playing.
That's good you are playing, but Shivatmika, you should always keep your study material and your playing material in one place.
Okay, Mama. Wow, this noise is so loud. This is so fun and cool.
Shivatmika,
What happened, Mama?
aren't your hands are wet right now?
Yes, Mama. I just came from the washroom.
Beta, you are not supposed to touch any switchboard with your wet hand.
Oh, Mama. Now what is the problem with touching the switchboards?
Beta, don't you know they could give you electric shock? In fact, yes, in fact, you shouldn't touch any electric equipment with your wet hand, like microwave, fridge, toaster, TV, radio. These things could be very dangerous for you.
Really, Mama? I'm so sorry. Now I will not touch switchboard with my wet hands.
Okay, baby.
Mama, someone is at the door. Should I open the door?
No, Shivatmika, you shouldn't.
Mama, I think it's Ria.
Beta, but this could be a stranger also.
Mama, who is this stranger?
Beta, if you don't know any person and you are meeting them for the very first time, that person is called a stranger. And you know you should always stay away from them because they could be very harmful, vicious and wild for you. So never ever try to open your house gate for any other person.
Okay, Mama. I will not open the door. So friends, I hope you understood about the meaning of safety rules. As you know, safety is very important for us. And if you play with knives, scissors, fire, switchboards and many other things, you can enjoy yourself. So that's why you should always stay safe and don't open the door for any stranger. Always take your mother and father's permission. Bye bye. I hope you stay safe.
Please, I hope you will always remember these safety measures, because these safety measures are very, very important for all of us. And there is one more thing which is very, very important for you to understand, and that is how to stay safe inside our school building. Babies, do you know this fact that our school is just like our second home, and our teachers are just like our mothers? So you should always listen to your class teacher. Love your class teacher the way you love your mother. Okay, and always follow the direction of your class teacher. Never ever try to leave your class without the permission of your class teacher. And there is one important thing: never ever try to hurt any of your class fellow. Okay, be courteous, gentle with all your class friends. Always wait for your turn while playing in a garden. Always walk in a line. Don't ever try to push any of your class friends. So these things are very, very important for you to understand. And I hope and I'm sure all our babies are very smart, and you will always remember these safety measures. Okay, so that's all for today, and I will show you a few more things in my next video. So bye bye.